True Circle Farms here again. I am starting my flat of on one side over here. Hold up, see if I can get my camera. Right here is where I have the saffron that I got. I'm just sampling the saffron. It's an herb to see how I can get it to grow if I can. And right here is pak choy. And the rest is collards. And all of this flat too is also collards. To get started, I'm going to replant these collards in the garden that's at my house. And these pak choy, I'm thinking about using those for the hydroponics when I get that set up. But right now they're starting to come along. But this is me. I am in the new hydroponic / office / where I may be doing some schooling with my children inside of this building. But yeah, this is it. This is the start.